What's up, guys? So today we have a new friend joining with us. His name is Sat. You can call him Sat, but who knows? Aaron. So anyway, so this is Sat. So Smash is somewhere. I have no idea. Smash, where are you?
Smash is over here. Smash is over here.
Red light. Ooh, they updated it.
Alex, run. He's here.
I have your stuff. Come. Asher, I need your help.
ASAP.
Die, and then, come back.
Oh crap! Ah. How did I die? Yeah, sorry about that, Luke.
Nah, it's
Chill. It's chill, bro.
Buddy, thank God you're here.
Here's your backpack, Lucas.
Anyway,
fill
how
it
about
out?
my stuff?
Yeah, it's got your grappler.
My stuff, please. Eject it. I'll take it. Oh,
Hey. Alex, come here. I want to show you what we all found. Look what we all found.
Dang, this is sick.
Umbrella.
Alright, I'm getting my stuff out. Alright, so...
I gotta put away all my stuff. Did I put my crowbar in here? By the way, I also packed a chicken for some reason, because I felt like it.
Alrighty,
He also got a
guys.
grenade.
Wait, does he have a
Yeah, I
grappler?
forgot
Alright,
to
good,
need
he has a
this.
grappler. Alrighty. Do you have a pickaxe? Like, do you have this?
Here,
No.
Lucas, take this. Take this.
Can you
It's
put
better
mines?
than crowbar.
Alrighty, anyway, let's
do you
go.
Hold on,
Wait, first of all, can you buy me a golden pickaxe?
What
yeah,
happened
can you
this
buy me
time?
one?
Hold
I'm
up, guys.
broke. Hey, there's my grenade. Don't make me pull this grenade pin. No, throw it at a spider when we go to mines in a minute.
Yeah, we're
I
going to
need
mines.
him
I
to
just
give me a
need to...
crowbar. I need him to give me a pickaxe. Oh, I just fell off my mat. Ow, that really hurt.
Give me a second. I'm gonna go,
What do I
sell.
even have?
Wait for me. I need to sell the trophy with you.
Bunch of magma cubes.
Don't sell. Don't sell the chicken.
Bruh, why didn't it go in?
Don't
Alright,
worry,
yeah,
I'll
just
put it in.
Okay, so Lucas, you're probably gonna want to sell this and the grenade. No, wait, and the Coke bottle.
What about the chicken?
You can sell that if you want, but it's not worth as much.
I'll do anything to sell all this.
Alright, we'll put the chicken in.
Chicken. Where's my backpack?
Wait, don't sell. Ooh. Alright, get your stuff that you don't need. Hey, Alex.
What?
Very sold. Did you see how much money we just got from selling?
No.
We just got
$558.
Holy.
a long map. Yo,
Oh, my head
what you doing?
Alright, I
Wait,
should
Guys, feast your eyes. Asher.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, I can do it about.
Yeah, you actually kind of
Asher,
deserved
go
it.
on.
Alex, can you get me a
Go on,
golden
sit
pickaxe?
Hold up, give me a sec. One of you take this. I don't even care who takes it.
Bro, it just came out of my hand.
That's what happens when you mess with me. Asher, can you put my baseball bat in my backpack?
Anyway, hold up, guys.
There we go. Went in. It's in the wrong hand.
Alright, so now, weapons.
Is this yours?
Yes.
Yeah. Bro.
Alright, get rid of that
This is gonna
stupid crowbar.
Connor, stop.
Alright, let's do this.
Yeah, let's do this,
Team up.
guys. Woo!
No, team up. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Team.
why are we going here?
We're going to
We're
mine,
going
baby.
to mines.
Did you just hit me?
On accident, didn't mean to.
I have to hit you back. That's the rule.
Yeah, when we hit, it's on accident because you get in our way.
Bruh!
Oh, I forgot to turn on my flashlight.
I swear if he calls me one more time, I'm blocking it.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, they updated
Alright, so
it.
buddy, the new way to bunker is insane. You have to do parkour.
Alright, what's our team?
Hold up, guys.
Alex? Wait,
I'm
Asher, wait.
Asher, wait.
Oh.
I know
Okay, Alex. Yeah, I think me and Alex are in the way bunker now. Yeah, I'm having a hard time running.
Ow, you
I'm
hit
sorry.
me.
Now,
I repeat, spider.
Asher,
I repeat,
wait, I
spider. All the way down at the bottom. There's
wait, spider?
Spider
there's a
me,
spider.
boy.
Where? Radar?
We can kill it.
it's right here, right here, right here.
Come here?
Spidey.
Get
Spidey.
past here.
No.
I mean,
Friendly neighborhood. Wait,
oh,
where's...
never mind. I just heard footsteps.
Wait
See,
a
look,
minute.
look at this.
It's new.
Asher,
Literally.
Look at this. Wait,
Where are
we
you?
lost Lucas.
Asher, I'm kind of in a bit of pickle. I lost everything and now I'm back at spawn. And now I'm coming back. Oh, that's a spider.
Spider, I repeat, spider.
Dude. You okay, bro?
Yeah, but a spider's attacking. So
Did you die?
no,
Did I die?
no, but a spider's attacking.
Now I gotta get my... Now I have to go...
Spider.
Now I'm gonna
How
need
did
some
you
help.
die to us? Lucas. Oh,
This is so much fun
dang.
about you guys. I can't see one
Oh,
thing. Now,
that's a spider.
where are...
Alex, the spiders are so much faster than they used to.
Oh, yeah, they kind of are.
Doesn't
Someone help me, I forgot the wait. Where's the freak all you?
Alex?
All right, we
Alright,
got
we
it.
have to get Lucas. Lucas, your
Where
stuff is right there.
are you?
He's right
Connor,
here.
get
This
out.
is Lucas. Lucas, your stuff.
Where are you?
We're in mine and we're making a video. Did he already
right here.
respawn?
Where in mine?
Wait, who's in this? Who's in the server?
Connor.
Oh, Connor? Oh, okay.
Yeah. And I didn't want him in, and I didn't want to call him, and now he's in the server, of course.
Lucas died. Oh, I got scared. Is that the guy that stole your loot, Asher?
No.
Cause he's coming now, and I think he's gonna steal my loot.
That's not him.
Help me, Asher, he's gonna steal my loot. Steal my loot.
Oh yeah, research point, baby.
Asher? Alex?
Buddy, Lucas, I got your pickaxe.
I'm booking it.
There wants to
Bro,
ship that.
if you don't want broccoli, I'll show you where it is.
Ooh, broccoli? That's an
Broccoli's an unreleased
item.
No, it isn't. You're just stupid.
When was it released?
Today.
Woo, Jesus.
Okay, so that right there,
If you want
Lucas,
to
is a
restart your
spider.
game, I can show you where it is.
All right, we're just coming. Just give us a second.
Okay, Lucas, I got your pickaxe.
Yeah, but what is my backpack?
It's right there. You don't see it?
No.
Here, I'll try and get it. I'll try and get it. I'll try and get it.
Alrighty. Now I just gotta find the way back. Alright, guys, just give me a minute. Guys, just gotta give me a second because so when you leave and then you'll just have all your stuff and like yeah. So that's why I'm just gonna left stuff, yeah. Because it's kind of the easier if you ask me.
I don't really have a username, bro. I don't know it. I literally just watch YouTube. But I know I said, wait, is your Please. Help. I said help me.
Lucas, I can.
Why am I even trying that? Say cheese.
What the?
Crap.
Where did
Alex?
my what?
Guys, what happens if I step on a landmine?
Yo.
What is happening? Why is it?
Who is this? Who is this? Yo, do you know who Alex VR is?
This is my friend. Yeah, that's your YouTube.
Lucas,
Yeah, I know. I do.
Asher, there's a little pickle. There's some more kids in the lobby.
Let's see that picture.
Anyway, where's that broccoli?
There's a
at?
brown one, and there's a green one.
I'll
Where's-
show you.
Alright.
By the way, there's also pink broccoli.
Pink.
Yeah, it makes you tiny.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, I'm also
Bro, you have a
run as
broccoli
fast as I can. Just get my
Actually, I
what
have
they did to
two.
you.
I have two. Alright, get your grappler. Alright. You need a grappler for this and a glow stick. Why a glow stick? Because you need to see.
Broccoli. Where's the broccoli?
Can I get my freaky plunger? Can I get my
It's not in
plunger?
the text tree.
Alright. But it's easy to get to. All you need is a glow stick and a bookshop.
Do we have to go through Spider?
Yes.
I'm not
course
fond
you
of your
Hey,
stuff.
But
it's
all
easy.
the
You
time.
can just grapple to this easy.
Lucas, I'm not fond of your
ceiling.
stuff.
Alrighty, I'm
Hey, guys,
ready.
When Spider's coming by, can you grapple to the ceiling and he won't kill you?
I mean, whenever I went here, I never saw him though. So, come on, y'all, let's get going.
If I die, nobody steal my stuff.
Alright, sure.
Hold up, I'm looking
Nobody's-
for Lucas. Lucas, where are you at?
All right. Follow my lead.
Where do we go?
Follow my lead.
I'm squared. I think I hear Spider. Loki.
I don't.
Just run straight.
I hear the.
Asher, I'm at spawn.
Oh my gosh.
All right, you're gonna jump down.
We are. Daddy.
Now we're gonna go in here.
I have a glow
Come
stick.
over here. Come over here. Come up.
Bro, who just hit me?
Come here.
Bro, stop hitting me.
It's not my fault you're getting in my way.
Alright.
It's not my fault that you're hitting me.
Alright, and some of these bridges break, so that's why I told y'all to get a... See what I mean?
Yeah.
They break.
Ugh.
Oh, wow.
This is hard.
I'm in it. Oh,
What?
that one didn't break. Surprising.
Jump.
What? Ah, I'm levitating. Help.
Alright, now we're at the broccoli.
Wait, I'm not hearing you.
Where's
I'm
the
not there yet.
Over here, guys. Over here.
It's
I'm
kinda hard to
trying,
get there.
but this stupid bridge. Let me. Ah!
Yo, God, my heel. My heel.
Oh, up. No,
Come on.
I'm trying.
Alright, this is hard. This is hard. I'm coming. I'm gonna collect this rock. Does everybody have a glow stick or just me? Where are you guys? I'm just collecting all the freaking Wait guys, is it zero gravity or if I fall out?
I want some pink rocks.
Connor, where's the radioactive?
No, you can get some green one. I get on the beat.
What is this error sign?
I don't know, but it's probably dangerous.
No, my backpack. I'm going for my backpack.
I'm just gonna get a bunch of green broccolis.
Guys, what happens if I eat these broccoli?
Oh no! My backpack's gone.
Once I get 4,000,
Like plastic. It's fantastic.
My bag dropped.
Okay, use your rocker to rock on the wall and go get it.
No, like it actually fell all the way down.
Okay, then use your rocker, rock on the wall and get it.
Oh, what's up? What's up? Oh, look about me. Look about me.
Baggy. Well, yes, I got you back, bag. Alright.
So there's no for how tiny you can be.
Oh.
I don't know. Probably not.
Ooh, pink area. Oh, this has a bunch of babies. Wait, a glow stick. Guys, did someone's glow stick float all the way up? Bro, this is so sick. I love it.
Oh, what's up?
What? Ah!
What's up?
Tiny little men. Yo, what up? I'm ginormous, baby. I'm big. Wait, why are you guys still small? Bro, this is so tiny. Yo, what up? Fee, fi, fo, fung, I am your mom. Broccoli.
Connor, it looks like you had too many radioactive broccoli.
He ate a lot of green ones.
Connor, how do you get radioactive broccoli?
Oh yeah, I'm the king of your mommy. Smash, where are you? Smash, where are you? Bro, this is the most tiny. Guys,
Stay back, Lucas.
Smash. Is this the Earth? I need more broccolis. More. Bro, I have the smallest grappler in the world. Where everyone at? Gotta be kidding. I need to be normal size. Come here.
please.
This is a little normal. Alright, this has to be normal sized. Nope. Alright. Alright, I'm almost there. Just have to eat one more. I'm normal sized. That was awfully weird. Guys, where are you at? That was way too close. Let's see, where's the exit? Where's everyone at?
Well, we're going to get more. How do you guys get more radioactive broccoli?
I've been in the radioactive broccoli area like for minutes, hours, wherever. You know what? I'll tell you when I get back to spawn. Guys, this is not cheating. Just easy travel. Oh, whoops. Damn it. No, I don't want to go Yeeps. I want to go into Yeeps. Quit app. Joining back in Animal Company. Get down. Pay it till you work it. I wanna bag it up. Like the way you work it. No jig. Can't believe I got 4 research points.
It's on the cell, like,
$10 quadrillion if you get coming with the bomb.
Go. Smash, where are you? Smash.
Come down. Come all the way.
Where?
You have to go to bunker to get.
Great. Guys. Guys, I'm in like the mines, like I'm at like the first part. Well, I'm actually not in the first part. I'm in the second part, like where Spider is first off. Where are you guys now?
I'm the big. I'm bigger. I'm a bigger fake back than freaking Paisley. I can survive freaking away like this. Bro, I'm the biggest big bad. Bro, be higher than you were.
How do you get out?
Oh, here.
Whoa! I wanna go kill. You guys, imagine killing Ogre with the radioactive broth.
Guys, so if you try to exit, so there's a spider on like the wires.
Guys, I'm stuck. You have grappler for a reason.
Like the chargers.
Guys, I think he's leaving.
Bro, there's nothing in your bag.
Here it is. I'm here. I made it back to my own reality. Oh yeah. Ooh, wait. Oh.
Does anybody wanna, like...
Guys, my backpack might be full.
Lucas! Guys, I'm stuck. Stuck where?
Oh yeah.
Where are you stuck?
I think we're in the we're in the area with the broccolis.
The broccoli? Go through the portal.
Wait, there's a portal?
Yeah, on Earth, swim through the little wormhole.
Wait, where?
Swim into like a hole on Earth. Swim in.
The green and blue
Yeah,
one?
I'm stuck at the one that has the
Yeah, the green and blue planet.
Alright, first
That
we
has
need
the active broccoli.
not good. Where's the Bro, why am I big again?
Because
You're so big. I'm gonna shoot you with a revolver.
No, you're not.
I need to get out my pickaxe so I can kill it.
When is this gonna come
where's
off?
my bag?
Yeah.
Whenever you want it to. Big back, Mr. Big Back.
Oh, yeah, I'm
yeah, I
normal
know.
now.
Back, Mr.
An
Big
ogre
Back.
fist. I'm gonna.
Where's my freaking
Idiot.
Here's my crossbow.
Guys, my backpack was just thrown into space and now it's gone.
Wait, hey, that's mine. All right, I'm recording.
Go to the bottom of space. Oh crap!
No, wait,
guys.
don't report me.
You literally ate my broccoli, and that took so hard to get.
Bro, you want me to
wasn't
help you get
hard.
more? You want me to help you get more?
I know where it is. I kind of made it on my
This
own.
is filled with broccoli.
That.
Is it really?
Yeah. Purple broccoli, green broccoli.
freaking height limit
and then shoot the freaking crossbow with
a grenade?
No, then you're gonna start hitting me.
Yo, who wants a
No,
free
I'm not.
crossbow?
Girl, I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
Free
Buy me a
crossbow.
Kelly grenade. Buy me a freaking Kelly grenade now.
Why?
Pew 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 pew.
Cause I wanna do something cool. Get Kelly grenade.
Alrighty, guys. So.
Guys,
Fine.
my backpack is filled with RPGs. Is it really?
Here,
Yep.
Guys, I have visualized
there.
on my
Take it.
backpack. My
It's
backpack
filled
is-
with RPGs and stuff.
No! I put my grab.
I'm grabbing my
Bro, bro, fling it and I'll bring it back to you. Guys, does anyone want an RPG? My backpack's filled with like it's filled to the brim.
I normal size. I'll eat your freaking toenails. I will eat your freaking toenails, boy. I'll eat your freaking toenails.
Who wants to
Wait, you
go
wanna eat my
to? Who wants to?
toenails? Okay, here you
Guys,
go.
who wants to go to space?
Wait,
Those
now do it
toes
to you.
were
I'm
yummy.
gonna clean your toenails. I'm gonna clean your toenails.
Wait, we don't even have. Bro, we don't have any toes. Remember?
Then I'll eat your toenails. Bro just got banned.
Who?
Bro, I'm gonna go get some more broccoli so I can become
All right, I'm coming with you.
acting like Big Tonga.
Wait, I got an idea. Wait, you get small brock. Wait, hold up. Green. Green.
I'm gonna be humongous.
Green.
Just like you when you're
Green.
humongous. What?
So I got an idea. So you collect pink ones and I'll collect green ones.
Oh. No, bro, I'm gonna sell mine.
Dang.
I already have a backpack filled with them. Do you have a grappler?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna fill this one, and then I'm gonna become the god of mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Oh no! My grappler!
Guys, I gotta go.
Yo, dude,
Bro, where is it? I'll get it.
it was like all the way at the top, like where we jumped out. I think I might have grabbed
I don't care. You need it. I'll grab it. Where is it?
It's like at the very tippy top, I think.
Okay.
Unless it's like some... I don't know if I grappled or not, but I might have. Did you find it, Green? Man, I don't have any more grapplers. Maybe
Where is it again? Where is it?
it's like where we jumped out.
Wait, bro, what is this code? What is this code?
D65.
Okay, so. Are you sure you're grappled?
What?
But how do you drop your grappler?
I don't know. I accidentally pressed my A or B, A or X.
Oh.
And then yeah.
Wait, where is it? What side did we drop from?
I think like at the top. The top.
Bro, there's a mimic in there. You might not want to go in there. Did you grapple?
I don't know if I did. I mean, I heard a grappling sound, unless that was you. Maybe it's on the other side.
Me. That was probably me.
Yeah. Check on the other side. Yes. All right, I'm gonna try getting over there. Jump.
Drop down.
Yeah, I made it. Yeah, I'm just
Bro, where am I?
Thank you.
Bro, two friends stick together.
There.
This way, bro.
Oh wait, what?
Wait, bro.
It's over there.
Bro, Gibby, get the thing off of your booty cheeks. I need it. I know
This?
the way. Yeah, drop it.
Here. Wait, you don't have hip attachments?
Yeah, look. I don't have them unlocked yet.
Dang.
My thing's at 5%, so
I thought it was
way.
this way.
this way.
Whoop.
Look. Spider is not good. I remember spiders, like. Just follow me.
Gotta follow the green.
The green Mookie. The green weird Mookie.
What?
I fell. How am I still alive?
Made it. Hello, babies. It is I. Yeah, guys, I guess we're just.
Person, are you a good person?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're a good person, help a bunch of people. Like no matter what. Because my headset's at 5% and it's almost dead. Bro, where are all the Wrigley's go?
What?
Bro, my headset's at 5%. I'm trying to get my phone.
All right.
Bye.
Glow stick.
What is the code again? D65?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, bye.
Or you could join your front. Perfect.
Bro, red.
Huh?
I mean, I'll join right back. Okay? Right
All
back.
right.
As soon as I can. Okay? Then we can friend each other.
Got it. Let's. Nice friend. All right, since there's no pinks over here, I guess I gotta like get greens. Yeah, that usually happens. Perfect. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. See you guys later. Bye.